Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn about metrics for evaluating classifiers. We will also learn about confusion matrix and what are the statistical measures for classifier. Okay. So let us proceed ahead. So metrics for evaluating classifiers. Evaluating a classifier means measuring how accurately our predicted labels match with the golden standard label in the evaluation set. Okay. In common terms, we say two distinct labels or classes as positive or negative. There are four possible results of what the classification model could result at any instance, which defines the confusion matrix. Okay, so what is a confusion matrix? So the confusion matrix is also known as an error matrix. It contains information about actual and predicted classifications done by the classifier. It is in the form of square matrix, which is used to describe the performance of a classification on a test data. Okay, here the column represents the actual values and the rows depicts the predicted value of the model. It doesn't matter how you write those, but it is important how you associate the terms TP, FP, FN, TN, that is true positive, false negative, and true negative. We will learn about that by using this diagram. So we have the predicted class, the positive and negative, and actual class with positive and negative. The first one, that is true positive. We predicted it as positive and it actually came out to be positive, so true positive. Then we predicted positive but it came out to be negative, so false positive, and it is an type 1 error. Then we predicted negative but it came out to be positive, so false negative, and it is a type 2 error. And we predicted negative and we actually got negative, so true negative, that is TN. Okay, so let me just explain those terms again. So TP, that is true positive, the actual value was positive and the model predicted a positive value. FP, false positive, your prediction is positive but actual value is negative, also known as type 1 error. Okay, then FN, that is false negative, your prediction is negative but actual value is positive, also known as type 2 error. And TN, true negative, the actual value is negative and the model predicted a negative value. Okay, so let us proceed here. So first of all, let us see accuracy in the statistical measures for classifier. So what is accuracy? The accuracy of classifier, the ratio of the correct prediction over total prediction, and we can calculate accuracy with the help of the following formula. Okay, so accuracy is true positive plus true negative upon the summation of all, that is true positive plus true negative plus false positive plus false negative. Okay, so second is precision. Precision tells us how many of the correctly predicted case actually turn out to be positive. We can calculate precision with the help of the following formula, that is true positive upon true positive plus true negative. Okay, so let us proceed ahead. So our third statistical measure is recall or sensitivity. So recall tells us how many of the actual positive cases we were able to predict correctly with our model, meaning out of positive, how many did we actually predict as positive. We can calculate recall with the help of the following formula. So recall means true positive upon true positive plus false negative, and a higher recall means that most of the positive cases, that is TP plus TN, will be labeled as positive, that is TP only. And higher the FP measurement, then the lower would be the overall accuracy, and vice versa. But let me just tell you that too. So a low recall means that you have a high number of FN, that is should have been positive but labeled as negative, and this also means that if you found a positive case, that one is likely to be a true positive. Okay, so let us proceed for the next one, that is F score or F1 score. So F score or F1 score returns the harmonic mean of the precision and recall. We can calculate recall with the help of following formula. So F score equals to 2 times the precision into recall upon the addition of both, that is precision plus recall. Okay, and if you want to see an example of this confusion matrix question, then you can just click on the video, or you can click on the link inside the description of this video and you can go through that. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Also comment down below if you are having any doubts, and if you want to access complete video series on a particular programming language, then go to my playlist section, or you can just click on the playlist link inside the description of this video. And even if you are from a non-coder background and you go through those videos and practice it with me, then you can become a pro programmer for sure. So see you all in the next video. Till then, study more, worry less, and all the best for your upcoming exams. Bye bye.